हेलो एवरीवन, चिंतन यार दिस साइड अगेन फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टर फ्यूचर। सो आज अपन लोग पॉलीप्लेक्स का चार्ट देखेंगे, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट स्टॉक्स ऑफ टुडे। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स गो टू द मंथली चार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टॉक। अगर आप यहाँ पे क्लोजली देखोगे तो वी स्पॉटेड दिस स्टॉक फर्स्ट टाइम लास्ट ईयर ड्यूरिंग आई थिंक ये वाला टाइम पीरियड के बाद ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त, 3 अगस्त, ये वाला टाइम पीरियड। तो दिस वाज अ मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट विच आई शेयर्ड ऑन माई ट्विटर हैंडल ऑल्सो। यू कैन गो थ्रू माई ट्विटर फॉर दिस चार्ट। तो मैं बेसिक एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ पहले कैसे देखा था इसको। सो दिस स्टॉक मूव्ड इनटू द न्यू हाई जोन एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम। पहले तो एक ये वाला रेजिस्टेंस था 605 वाला, उसके बाद ये एक रेजिस्टेंस था, ये दोनों विक्स, वन सेक, ये दोनों, ये रेड कैंडल वाला और ग्रीन कैंडल वाला, ये जो अपर विक था। तो 605 से लेकर 668 एक क्रूशल इसके लिए जोन था विच नीडेड टू बी क्रॉस्ड, और उसके ऊपर ये मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट देने वाला था। सो दिस वाज बेसिकली अ मल्टी ईयर कप एंड हैंडल पैटर्न। अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, दिस वाज अ क्लियर केस ऑफ शेकआउट एज वेल। ये वाला जोन मार्च वाला पूरा पार्ट ये शेकआउट था, ये हैंडल बना था। अगर अपन ड्रॉ करेंगे यहाँ पे तो दिस हैंडल वाज ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट ये 40 बार्स, मतलब 40 मंथ्स का हैंडल था। और अगर अपन कप देखेंगे, दिस इज़ द कप राइट फ्रॉम ईयर, यहाँ से लेके इधर तक। सो दिस इज़ कप ऑफ 78 बार, 78/12 अगर आप पकड़ के चलो तो इट इज़ अराउंड 6 ईयर्स और 40 मंथ्स का, तो अराउंड ऑलमोस्ट 3.5 ईयर्स का हैंडल और 6 ईयर्स का कप बना था ये। सो दिस वाज अ क्लासिक कप एंड हैंडल पैटर्न। आइडियली कप एंड हैंडल का जो अगर आप बेसिक डेफिनेशंस देखोगे टेक्स्ट बुक्स एंड ऑल, उसके अंदर ये दिखेगा दैट द कप शुड बी एज बिग एज इट कैन and the handle should be small, but the time frame for this is like into weeks and months as per classic definition of textbook. So ये classic cup and handle pattern बना था। as you can see, जैसे ही कप बना था the volume dried over so many years. so first of all एक बात बता देता हूँ, it was a multi-year breakout of almost 117 बार्स। तो 118 बार्स पकड़ के चलो, यहाँ तक 118 बार्स, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 10 ईयर्स के करीबन का ब्रेकआउट था ये मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट। एंड दिस इज द कप ओवर ईयर, ये। सो दिस वाज बेसिकली अ कप एंड दिस वाज द हैंडल इधर, ठीक है, मल्टी ईयर। अगर फ्रॉम 668 टुडे इट मेड अ न्यू हाई ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 824, दैट इज अगेन ऑलमोस्ट 2.5, इट इज़ नियरिंग 3 times नाउ। ये soon it will like cross 2000 I think so. Now let's go to the daily chart over here. So from daily chart, so this was the cup and handle 632, ये 605 से लेके 660 का रेंज था। इधर आप देखोगे once it broke out over here, see the green candles over here, and along with that look at the volumes that are happening. So basically a good combination of price and volume. The way it moved up, it consolidated for almost, right from here it consolidated till this for almost 127 days, मतलब almost कितना हो गया, so by 30 almost 4 months के करीबन it gave a good consolidation, and then there was a huge spurt in volumes over here, ये वाला the highest volumes you will see during this period at this point in time. So this was around 883 का इसने क्लोज दिया था, that was 17.6% up. अभी अगर आप क्लासिक मार्क मैनरवेनी का अगर आप फॉलो कर रहे हो, विच आई रिलीजियसली आई स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग इट लाइक वेरी क्लोजली, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम दिस वाज अ क्लियर केस ऑफ ब्रेकआउट अलॉन्ग विथ गुड वॉल्यूम एंड प्राइस एक्शन, बट you won't be buying at this point in time, ठीक है। So once this kind of breakout happens with a clear cut gap up and volume, what we do is we need to let the stock settle and consolidate, और फिर this was the correct pivot point as per Mark Minervinis. So this was one of the correct pivot point. If you missed at buying at this point 660 का, if you missed then see ये वाला this was one breakout, और उसके बाद one sec, let me make basis for you. ये एक बेस था from here till here, ठीक है, this was one base. उसके बाद it gave a breakout and then it went into bit of consolidation, kicking out all the weak holders. As you can see over here, volume has dried up significantly, ये वाला, but this green candle wherein the price was increasing along with the volumes, this showed that this is a clear case of accumulation happening by all the big players, and over here on the small red volume candles all weak hands are getting out. So this was one big green candle along with the huge volume bars, and this was another breakout that happened. उसके बाद you can see that the stock moved in upper high and upper low pattern, higher high higher low pattern basically. ये एक base, so this was one base from this point to this point, then again a breakout, then again a base formation over here, then again a breakout, and now again a base formation has started. I know there are multiple trend lines being drawn, but do understand that these are all the bases that form. Now along with the bases that are being formed, इधर मैं लिख देता हूँ. So this is one base, one, ये one, not increase. The video is going to be a bit long, but I am going to explain you the basic concepts over here. Whatever the concepts are happening, whatever. See, this is the second base, this is the third base, this is the third base, then this is the fourth base, this is the fourth base, ठीक है. So this is a base on base pattern, but you should again look at one more pattern that is being formed from the third base. It is the inverse head and shoulder continuation pattern. So you can see that there are four bases. Abhi, like, I'll remove all those drawings over here. So here you can see this one, this over here. So this is an inverse head and shoulder, head, shoulder, left. So many people say that this is not a classic head and shoulders, but you need to be flexible against the textbook definitions. This is one. Now again here, this one, all these are head and shoulders continuation. This one, see, all these are huge shakeouts, kicking out all the weak holders. Only the ones that have patience are surviving. So this was during the mid cap fall that happened last month. Okay, देखो. So this, यहाँ पे भी देखो, this was a green candle along with huge volume bar. Then weak holders को निकाला, lowest base volumes in the base along with price consolidation. This is how like VCP, the volatility contraction pattern जो बोलते हैं लोग, जिधर price और volume contract होता है. Here you can see that the price is like trading in a narrow range of like 1 to 2%. Along with it, there is a significant decrease in the volume and base. ये एक पूरा base है, this part. One sec. ये एक पूरा base है, this. ठीक है. तो इसके साथ में the volume is decreasing. See, इधर देखो red candle पे 150 के ये इधर this part is volumes. So keep watch on this. Okay. इधर है 150 के का वॉल्यूम, 100 के का. स्लोली द वॉल्यूम स्टार्टेड डिक्रीजिंग. इधर 76 के, इधर है 59, 53 के, 44 के, लोएस्ट वॉल्यूम इन द बेस, एंड देन ब्रेकआउट विथ ह्यूज वॉल्यूम स्पाइक. सो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे इट वाज जस्ट 44 के वॉल्यूम, और इधर अचानक से इट वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 20 टाइम्स वॉल्यूम, 874 के. सो दिस इज़ अ क्लियर इंडिकेशन बेसिकली दैट समवन बिग वन इज एक्यूमुलेटिंग, और उसके बेसिस पे द प्राइस एंड वॉल्यूम्स आर इंक्रीजिंग. यहाँ पे भी देखो across the right shoulder, how the volume decrease, प्राइस और वॉल्यूम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ यहाँ पे एकदम सिग्निफिकेंटली फ्रॉम 1531 to 1600, ऑलमोस्ट कितना हो गया 70 पॉइंट्स. सो इट इज़ अराउंड लाइक 5% के नैरो रेंज में द प्राइस कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड along with the volumes. The volume was below. This is the 50-day average volumes. इसके below हो गया. And today, just look at it. Significant increase in the volume with a huge breakout. So this, frankly speaking, I traded this today on intraday basis above 1600. I took a position around 1620 when it survived. और उसके बाद then it boomed. ठीक है. So I just closed my position for short term basis. So let's go to the 15 minutes का chart. Here you can see इधर देखोगे अगर आप. So this is a classic high tide flag, we call it. ये वाला पार्ट स्मॉल छोटा छोटा देखो है ना, सारा पैटर्न्स एक साथ में मत देखो. सो दिस इज ये एक हाई टाइड फ्लैग है. दिस स्मॉल बेस इधर वाला, दिस इज अ पोल एंड दिस इज हाई टाइड फ्लैग. और उसके बाद और विद ग्रीन लाइक ऑल बिग वॉल्यूम्स it gave a clear cut breakout. So I'm not sharing any trade plan for this. This is just like a learning series for all of you, since many of you were asking me कि technicals के basics वगैरह बता दो. So this is how I look at different patterns that are being formed in one of the growth stock. Now see, it is a techno funda stock basically, this one. So I would recommend you to also look at अपना screeners and all. So let's go to screener.in or better let's go to marketsmith.com. So when you go to marketsmith.com ना, यहाँ पे just search Polyplex. एक मिनट लोड होने दो. हाँ, so when you look at Polyplex ना, see, great earnings and stock price performance are powerful combination that makes this stock closely to evaluate. So this is one of the canceling stock, you can consider it. इधर आप देखो the way all EPS and sales are increasing, continuous growth in sales over the past 4 quarters. So these are the kind of things that I look for. अगर और यहाँ पर आप देखोगे EPS strength is also good, then good price strength is there, buyer demand is there, which means that institutions are accumulating. Buyer demand should be good. Now the group rank is 96. I don't look at this parameter much, but मेरे लिए price strength और EPS is one of the parameters that I look. अभी आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, see, these are the star investors in this. Dolly Khanna is also invested. They hold like almost 1.03%. I don't know about this guy, Ricky Kirpalani, but ठीक है. So here you can see that the promoters are holding almost 15.97%. फिर mutual funds are also holding it big. Foreign FPIs are holding it. Then individual investors, these are like retail investors like us. So this is basic techno funda thing that I look for. Okay, now going back to the chart. So I hope you guys have understood, like जितना बताया, the basics at least, how things are flowing and all. So this is it for Polyplex. So next chart, let's see tomorrow कल कौन सा फटेगा, on the basis of which I will be sharing an analysis. But as of now, Polyplex gave a good breakout with huge volumes. So keep track on the stock. So if you are holding it, keep holding it. And just write the trend. Basically the primary trend has been from sideways over here. Now the trend has shifted to like uptrend. It is a clear stage 2 stock. So just keep riding it for big gains, and also keep booking timely profits. Otherwise kuch ho, like something or the other happens, then if some fall or something like that happens, then you might lose losses on it. So I would recommend, like, keep booking your profits time to time and keep riding the best stocks. Okay, thank you all, thank you very much, and do like, comment and share. This is the thing which we need, so as to improve, so as to, like, I would get motivated motivated and like post new videos on the best stocks. So do like and share, and thank you all.